Dry, cracked heels? Tired of expensive salon visits? Don't worry, we've got your back, or should we say, your feet. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric foot grinders to help you achieve silky smooth feet from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ms.Dear electric foot grinder. The Ms.Dear electric foot grinder offers a comprehensive solution for foot care with its thoughtful features. Designed to provide a gentle yet effective treatment for the feet, it includes 3 adjustable speed settings. The first speed is perfect for routine foot care, offering a slow and gentle option. The second setting targets dead skin and peeling skin, while the third speed delivers strong action to tackle dry, cracked, and calloused skin. Equipped with high-quality quartz sand grinding heads, this foot grinder ensures effective removal of dead skin and calluses. Its roller-type 360 massage mechanism helps to grind away rough skin and thick patches, transforming the feet into smooth and soft skin. A standout feature of this device is its heavy pressure sensing chip. This built-in sensor reduces the risk of skin damage by adjusting the pressure applied during use, ensuring a gentle yet thorough experience. The portable design of the device, combined with a detachable grinding head, makes it easy to maintain and replace when needed. The Ms.Dear electric foot grinder also boasts an automatic water draining function that promotes hygiene by enabling easy and sterile cleaning, thus preventing bacterial buildup. With Type-C fast charging, this device is designed for long-lasting use, making it ideal for regular foot treatments. This foot care device is a great option for anyone seeking an at-home solution to achieve soft, smooth feet with minimal effort and maximum results. Coming in at number 4, we have the Energin electric foot grinder. The Energin electric foot grinder is an innovative device designed to provide a professional-grade foot care experience. It offers convenient USB portable charging, ensuring users can easily recharge the device on the go. This foot grinder is equipped with a handy grinding head replacement button, allowing for a seamless transition between different grinding heads for versatile use. One of the key features of the Energin electric foot grinder is its ability to remove dead skin, calluses, cracks, and hard skin with ease, promoting smooth and healthy feet. Whether you're dealing with rough patches on your heels or calloused areas on your toes, this foot grinder can tackle a variety of foot care challenges effectively. The device is powered by a strong 1200 mAh lithium battery, offering impressive longevity. With continuous use for up to 180 minutes, you won't need to worry about frequent charging. This makes it perfect for long sessions or multiple uses, allowing you to focus on your foot care without interruptions. Additionally, the Energin electric foot grinder is fully washable, making it easy to clean and maintain. You can confidently wash the entire device underwater, ensuring it's ready for the next use. This combination of power, convenience, and durability makes the Energin electric foot grinder a great addition to any foot care routine. At number 3, the Enithlife electric foot grinder. Transform your self-care routine with the Enithlife A1 mini electric foot grinder, an innovation that brings salon-quality foot care right to your doorstep. With its sleek, compact design, the A1 is engineered for effortless use. Weighing only 103 grams and measuring just 5x5 by 9 centimeters, it easily fits into your travel bag, gym locker, or bedside drawer, offering convenience wherever you go. The A1 is equipped with 3 distinct modes: soft, gentle, and strong, allowing you to choose the ideal level of exfoliation based on your skin's needs. Whether you're treating delicate skin or tackling stubborn calluses, the A1 adapts to deliver a personalized experience for silky smooth feet. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, cleaning the grinder is as simple as rinsing it underwater, ensuring hassle-free hygiene. Its high-capacity battery ensures long-lasting power, and with Type-C fast charging, you'll be ready for your next pampering session in no time. The included battery indicator keeps you informed, so you never run out of power unexpectedly. For complete care, the A1 comes with 2 specialized grinding heads, a coarse grinding head for callus removal and a fine grinding head for polishing. These attachments work together to provide professional-grade results right at home. Certified by FDA, FC, CE, and ROSH, the Enithlife A1 adheres to the highest standards of safety and performance. It's a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering excellence in personal care. Whether for daily use or special occasions, the Enithlife A1 is the perfect companion for your foot care routine. In the second spot, we have the Tinsol electric foot grinder. The Tinsol electric foot grinder is a compact and portable solution for achieving smooth and healthy feet. Its lightweight design makes it an ideal tool for on-the-go pedicure sessions, ensuring you can take it with you wherever you go. This electric callus remover is equipped with a dual-action system, which not only exfoliates but also promotes the healing of the skin, resulting in healthier feet over time. One of its standout features is the rechargeable power source, which provides long-lasting use, ensuring that you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Additionally, the foot grinder's waterproof construction makes it safe to use in wet conditions, so you can comfortably incorporate it into your bath or shower routine. With an impressive usage time of 160 minutes, this tool is designed for extended pedicure sessions, allowing you to complete multiple treatments without needing to recharge. Whether you're looking to remove calluses or simply maintain smooth, soft feet, the Tinsol electric foot grinder is a reliable and efficient choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the AXH electric foot grinder. The AXH electric foot grinder is an innovative tool designed to provide thorough foot care by effectively removing callus and dead skin, promoting healthier feet. Equipped with 3 different quartz grinding heads, this device caters to individual foot care needs. The coarse roller works for heavy calluses, the regular roller is ideal for removing dead skin, and the fine roller ensures gentle daily foot maintenance. The natural quartz grinding heads are durable and non-irritating, ensuring a safe and effective experience with each use. With 2 adjustable speeds, users can customize their foot scrubbing experience to match their specific needs. One of the standout features is the built-in vacuum system that captures dust while grinding, preventing it from spreading in the air. This ensures a cleaner and more hygienic experience. The IPX7 waterproof design makes it easy to clean, as both the grinding head and the vacuum dust bin are detachable and washable. For added convenience, the AXH electric foot grinder is USB rechargeable, making it portable and easy to charge. Its ergonomic curved scrubber head fits the contours of the foot and heel, providing a comfortable and efficient experience. The one-button design makes operation simple, while the LCD display shows the battery status and current speed, keeping users informed at a glance. Users have the option to choose between the basic electric foot file or an upgraded version with additional tools. Whether you need a quick foot refresh or a more comprehensive foot care routine, the AXH electric foot grinder offers a personalized solution for everyone.